Hi guys, Francella here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you have been here forever, thank you guys so much for watching. It does help my channel. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. I really want to talk about some products that I will be using this summer. These are some items that are really essential and I think they will help you guys as well. So if you are into that kind of thing, then yeah, stick around to this video. Everything is here in this bag from Francfranc. I love Francfranc. I don't know about you guys, but I love shopping at Francfranc and I buy stuff in there all the time. Some of the things that I picked out of summer, I feel like they're essential for like self-care and body care and just to make you feel very comfortable and survive this Japanese summer. Yes, so yeah, stick around if you want to see what's in my bag, and I also have other items that I'm just gonna pop right into the video as well because they are essential for summer. Let's just jump right into that. This time when I went to Francfranc, I bought a lot of stuff and I was given a box. I got a really nice box, so I was excited. I did leave my receipt in here so that I can quote the prices very well for you guys. Without further ado, let's just get into this box. Yes, so the first thing that I want to pick out is this one here. Wow, a fan. And this one here. Another fan. This one here. This is something for my toes, my fingers, nail care. This is something to shower with. Look how cute that is. And finally, some fragrance. I'm happy with this purchase because I am into candles. I make candles. I'm into candles. I have an Instagram page for all of that. You can check that out. But I got this product because it is a fragrance that hit me. Black currant and amber. This is a room fragrance, guys, that from Francfranc, and I'm telling you, when I saw the name, I was like, let me smell that. I smelled it and it was like amazing. I don't know about you, but anything that smells good makes me feel good. That's why I got this room fragrance here. So this is the base. Love the color of the bottle because it will just fit with the ambience that's in my room right now. So love this. These are the other parts. I will fix this all up nicely later, but like this is what it looks like, and this is my black currant and amber room fragrance from Francfranc. This cute fragrance retails for 28 American dollars, which is about 3,800 Japanese yen. If it was another fragrance, I wouldn't have got it because I think it's super pricey, but I wanted to try this specific fragrance, so that's the reason why I opted to get this one. If you're that kind of person into fragrance, room fragrances, and you want to try something black currant and amber, ooh, Lord, have mercy. Good. I love it. 10 out of 10 for this one. So now I'm going to talk about the fans because I think that this is really essential for summer. I went outside like yesterday after work because I got off work early and I was thankful for that. So I went out and it was super hot, y'all. Oh my God. I felt like it was 100 degrees, to be honest. That's what it felt like to me. I thought like getting fans for summer is going to be very essential, very helpful for myself because the trains here in Japan are super packed. This one is a neck fan. You just pop it on like this. If you're on the train, you can use your phone and you can read your book while you're sitting on the train because it's just so convenient. You put it on your neck and it just blows the air for you. So that's amazing. This neck fan retails for about 25 US dollars, which is 3,280 Japanese yen. So it's actually pretty cool, and it does have like a button right here, and that's where you turn it on. You can hear it. You can hear the levels. And you can turn it off. So yeah, I kind of feel like this would be super fun for the train. You just have it like right at your neck, feeling the breeze. Amazing. When you're in these trains, these crowded Japanese trains, you cannot really feel the fan or the air conditioning. Sometimes the windows are open. I don't know how they do it. I just want to make sure I'm cool, so that's why I got this fan. And it does come with its own charger, so I can just charge it up whenever I want and just bring it with me everywhere. Like I said, very convenient because if I'm on my phone, I can just still stay on my phone holding the handrail and have my neck fan on when I'm on the train. amazing. I couldn't resist this one because of the color and because I really wanted to have the Francfranc brand. I have other brands here at home that I bought for my sisters, but like, yeah, I really wanted this one. And the color mint green, this one retails for $20, which is just a little bit less than the neck fan. And it does have like some really cool bases, like you can put it on a stand and like have it in your office and things like that. I didn't get the big stand that rotates because I'm not going to be using that in my office. It comes with its own personal stand. So this one, I actually got it because I feel like it's just really cute. It's a mint color. You can't beat that. Look at this color. Look at how glowy that is. Like, it's kind of giving me that psychedelic kind of vibe, yo. Like, I just love this one. It has like 3, 4, 5, wow, 5 different levels. For the summer, this is gonna be like so amazing. 5 different levels, and you can charge it here. This is the base, and it's also a charger. Of course, Francfranc has others with base that rotates that you can put on your desk, but I'm not gonna get that one because I'm not trying to have it rotate. I'm just trying to look cool with this in summer because that's the summer vibe. Yeah, so I got this from Francfranc as well. It does have its own charger just like the previous one, and it comes with a strap. This is cool. Did not expect this at all. So that's it for the fans that I got from Francfranc this year. I'm not saying that you should go out and get these expensive fans. I'm just telling you that they are super cool and just they are a vibe. They give me life. So I really love this. The next thing I got is a 3-step nail care set, guys. I have a thing for my nails. I love when they look good. I love when they're groomed and clipped and just amazing. So recently I have been wearing like nail polish, and I find that the nail polish kind of damages my nails. And I'm like, oh my god, what am I gonna do? How am I gonna fix this? And then I went into Francfranc and I saw this and realized they had like 3 tops for the nails. You can cut it, you can file it, you can actually try to get like a lot of smoothness going on your nails like a professional. I love the packaging. Look at how cute that is. Ooh, love the color for this one. But that's Japan. They have like a really good packaging system going on here for everything. It's battery operated. Yeah, you put batteries in here and you can change the tip here. Okay, you can put this one on if that's what you want. It snaps on really nicely. You put the other one on like that, and the final one you put on like so, and you actually use this on your nails. I'm gonna be using this on my toenails because that's where I need a little love. I'm gonna be using that this summer. This 3-step nail care system from Francfranc is one of those brands that they carry in store. They collaborated with other companies that have really cute, nice goods that fit the Francfranc vibe. So yeah, this was a collaborative product. I'm not sure if they still have it in stock in the stores, but this one retails for $16 US, which is about 2,200 Japanese yen. So yeah, definitely get this if you are the kind of person who likes to do your nails at home and keep your nails looking fly. So yeah, that's it for this 3-step nail system product from Francfranc that I got for summer. I have a lot of time during the summertime because school is out and everybody is going to the beach and all of that. I love the fact that I can do a lot of self-care during summertime. The next thing I want to talk about are just 2 other things. I didn't get a Francfranc, but I think it's amazing for summer, and it is these Gatsby body sheets that smell like peaches. Peaches! Oh my god, peaches and cream. Oh no, not the cream part, but peaches. You get what I'm saying, right? I usually get these because summer is hot, it's humid, we're sweating. Like, I sweat a lot ever since I came to Japan. Like, I wasn't a sweaty person. But ever since I came to Japan, y'all, I don't want to start crying, but like the summer is terrible. It's super hot and it makes you sweat and it's just so humid. So I got body sheets because I have to wipe myself down, especially when I'm leaving my main job to go to my part-time jobs and I have to be traveling like all day. If I'm going on business trips, I definitely bring this as well because I need to freshen up all the time. I like smelling fresh. I know you like smelling fresh too, so tell me down in the comment section, what is it that you're using to stay fresh? The next thing that I want to mention in this video before I wrap up is my powder. Yes, I usually get a specific brand of powder from Jamaica, but this time I couldn't get any, so I went back to my real OG type of powder that I've been using ever since I was a baby. Yeah, Johnson's aloe and vitamin E, lots of benefits in here for your child and for yourself. I use this powder to just keep fresh. Yeah, I put it in areas that needs to be freshened up. I just use my powder like everywhere. I do love this brand, Johnson's baby powder brand. Like, I've never been satisfied with any other powder brand besides Johnson's, and a men's powder which I get in Jamaica. It's a medicated kind of powder, but since I'm in Japan and I can't get that, I go back to the OG type. This is amazing. Like, I know a lot of people can swear by this. It is just what you need to have in summer for you and for your baby, for men and women. Everybody needs this. I also use Japanese SPFs in summertime, but that's in another video because I have to explain in details about Japanese sunscreen. So if you want to see that video, then yeah, check out that video. Sunscreen video has everything about sunscreen. I'm just gonna be enjoying my summer like this. Yeah. I hope you guys will have a great summer. Stay hydrated. Make sure you're getting your amino acids and your dietary supplements in. Yeah, I just did a whole video about the supplements that I use, where I get them from, so that you guys can get prepared for the summertime, especially summers in Japan, because summers in Japan are just a different kind of summer. I don't know. It's different from Jamaica. It's different. That about sums up this video. Thank you guys so much for your time and for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. See you guys. Bye.